So we have a nice morning. We just finished packing the last orders, and now just waiting for Boogie to pick us up, and then we are going to Warsaw.
So we are ready in Warsaw. We have a plan to film Stani's S13. We're just waiting for the wheels to be ready.
Just waiting for the wheels, and then we're gonna go see the car. So long story short, last week we went to Warsaw to film Stani's S13. What happened is the camera broke on me just before we even started shooting. I've had this camera for a long time. I got it way before we started NIGHTRIDE and everything, and it's been with me for so long, and we've been together in many places. We filmed some cool stuff. We filmed a lot of parties, like a small parties, like a big parties, both parties. We filmed a lot of parties, and I finally gave up. It's been a week since we went to Warsaw, and today we are gonna go and get a new camera. Okay, so we are back home. We did some shopping. We bought a new camera, a couple new batteries, a charger, a cage, and some accessories. It's Sony A7 III. I'm not gonna go into the specs because it might be a bit boring. Nothing really fancy. Looks nice, pretty similar to the old one. What is new that the camera has no scratch on it. Really brand new. This one shouldn't break. We need to wait for the batteries to charge, and then we're gonna get to work.
Let's go. It's okay. Can I take it now? Wow.
Nice. Nice camera, man. Okay.
Some of you may not know that Kevin used to be green.
So when we bought Kevin, it was green, and as you can see, it is still green inside, which doesn't really work with the black and red outside. It's pretty much triggering me that when we come inside the car and when we drive a car, it's still like
All you see is green.
green, and it's pretty nasty. So we decided we're gonna take care of Kevin inside this time, paint it nice color, put a nice carpet on, and do some other
Internal stuff. We kind of made Kevin look very nice outside, like decently nice, but inside is just
disgusting still. So yeah, we took out the doors, we took out all the like panels, the gaskets, like we
basically looked everywhere and just looked for any little thing that we could take off.
So this week we're gonna try to get Kevin ready for painting inside, which is including taping all the windows, putting some foil or something on the dash, put the tape all over, you know, the parts that we don't want to paint. Then we're gonna take care of the old paint, probably with like a sandpaper and that, and then we're gonna paint it. I was thinking to paint it red to match outside, but the dash is brown and the seats are brown, so I don't really feel that the red goes well with brown. So we're just gonna paint it black, simple. We're also gonna put some panels, we're gonna put the carpet and
make it warmer as well a bit, maybe.
Yeah. Basically take care of the inside. And
so we can actually drive it.
Oh yeah. I still think if we want to put the back seats on, because we don't really drive it with more than 2 people, and also this season we want Kevin to be with us on events, and we want to have it as a little shop, shop on wheels with the merch. So we're gonna probably put some hangers on, we're gonna do some shelves maybe for like stickers and like hoodies, t-shirts. So when we go to event, we can open Kevin up, we can put a speaker on, nice music, we can put a hanger with the hoodies and everything. So yeah, this is the plan for the car for the season. We're gonna end it here, upload the video still tonight because it's been over a week since we uploaded the video with the Bima. Tomorrow I'm going to Darek again to work on Miata. We might actually get out, start the car and get the car out, drive the car out from the garage. And then following days we're gonna keep working on Kevin and expect the video with Kevin this week.
And it's literally 9 PM right now. Let's try to get the video out in 3 hours.
Wow. Thank you very much and good night.